Stadium.
Well, mag-start ang ating talent identification camp with Coach Norman Black. Coach Norman, Coach Black, busy. Come on! 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, reach.
87.98.
Ang pag good vibes lang ha. Tingnan natin. Ma'am, hanapin mo yung pangalan ko dyan.
Sulat ko na lang, sir.
John Lloyd. Ayaw pumayag.
Ready, jump.
Iyo, mga ka-winners. 1, 2, 3. Yes! Okay, ready. Dalawa na naka 119. Lumalabas siya, 119 pa rin. Foul! Go, pressure, pressure, pressure! Go, go, go! Good block! Pressure! Help, help, help! Good shot, good shot! Help! Ayan na, ayan na! Lapit! Pressure, pressure! Wow, nice thing! Foul! Yung mga girls naman ang lalaro. Ano rin natin? Coach Norman, tsaka si Gob Matthews. Lipad. Good job. Yun oh, mga idol oh. Good job. Good job. Thank you. Busy si Coach Norman oh. Yes sir. Good job, good job. Sub, 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 sub. Yes sir. Nice move. Wow. Sa steal. Bam. Nakakadalawang 3 points niya. Wow. And 1. Grabe, tatapag ng mga girls dito sa Ilocos Norte. Talagang power move. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Yes sir. Ow. Nice one. Mahihaing manang-mana ka sa coach mo. Yay. Hi ka-winners. Yay. Uy, idol. Ikaw pala yan, idol. Oh yeah, 0.5 with Coach Norman Black. Yes sir. 3. Oh, yes sir. The man. Amazing.